Hello everyone, and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll tackle an exciting problem involving string validation. Our task is to check whether a given string contains only Latin letters, ensures no two adjacent characters are in the same case, uppercase or lowercase. This program introduces key concepts in string manipulation and conditional logic. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to break down string problems effectively and write a robust solution. This problem challenges us to validate strings based on specific conditions. First, the string must consist of solely Latin letters. Second, adjacent characters cannot have the same case. For example, X, Y, and R is valid because it alternates between lowercase and uppercase. However, XXYX is invalid because it has two consecutive uppercase characters, the X and X. Let's see how we can systematically solve this problem. This code begins by defining helper functions to check if a character is a lowercase or an uppercase. It determines the case of the first character and uses that as a reference. The loop checks alternating cases for subsequent characters based on their positions, odd or even indices. If any condition is violated, the function immediately returns false. Otherwise, it returns true after completing the loop. Here's how the function works step by step. First, it starts by defining two helper functions to identify uppercase and lowercase letters. Second, it checks the first character to ensure it's valid, which is a Latin letter and correct case. Third, the loop verifies the case alternation for all subsequent characters, using the index to determine expected case. This structured approach ensures we account for every character systematically. Let's analyze these examples. In the first example, the characters alternate correctly between lowercase and uppercase, so the function returns true. In the second example, two consecutive uppercase characters violate the condition, so the function returns false. The ES6 version introduces modern JavaScript syntax, including arrow functions for cleaner and more concise code, const declarations for immutable variables, and enhanced readability while retaining the same logic. To summarize, this program highlights how to validate strings based on specific rules and ensures efficient processing using helper functions and structured logic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.